Transporting medicine from factories to pharmacies is an $85 billion industry. With the introduction of biologic drugs, expansion of the international drug trade, and new regulations requiring stricter oversight during transportation, both the cold chain and non-cold chain parts of the supply chain will have to be monitored closely in the future. This new reality gives companies great opportunities to provide highly integrated, more carefully controlled drug supply chains. The electronic technology that enables the Internet of Things can be used to implement effective tracking and environmental regulation systems. Renesas has developed a reference solution for in-transit medication management, or ITMM, which enables data logger manufacturers to achieve quick time to market. This solution can be thought of as an advanced data logger which enables the supply chain to be compliant with the Drug Supply Chain Security Act, or DSCSA. This solution is also backward compatible with traditional handheld scanning systems. The Renesas ITMM solution has multiple sensors, including temperature, humidity, GPS, tamper, shock, and pressure. These parameters are displayed on the onboard display in human-readable and barcode format. A primary cell battery powers the ITMM module, and Bluetooth low-energy technology is used to communicate to a mobile device. A USB port is provided for data transfer or firmware upgrade. Anytime medication is transported from point A to point B, the ITMM data logger can be placed inside the shipment box. The ITMM data logger monitors and logs the physical and environmental factors affecting the contents of the shipment. Each data logger can be associated with a near-field communication tag or barcode label. This solution showcases the Renesas Synergy platform, featuring the Synergy S3 MCU, the RL78G1D MCU, and the ISL 9120 buck boost regulator. Renesas Synergy is a complete and qualified platform that accelerates embedded development, inspiring innovation and enabling differentiation. The RL78G1D is an industry-leading true low-power MCU featuring Bluetooth low-energy technology. ISL 9120 is a highly integrated buck boost switching regulator from Renesas with high efficiency up to 98%. The demo. The Renesas ITMM Solutions Kit consists of the hardware board with e-ink display, micro USB cable, 3.6-volt lithium AA battery, a sample linear and 2D barcode medicine label, and a near-field communication tamper tag for testing purposes. All the kit contents come in a compact box which also contains preliminary information about the kit features and download links for mobile apps. The ITMM device can be powered using a AA battery. The one provided in the kit is a 3.6-volt lithium thionyl chloride battery. Alternatively, it can also be powered using a micro USB cable. The device can be turned on by pressing the SW3 button. Once the device is turned on, LED 1 will light up and the device will begin its boot sequence. The device is ready for operation once Synergy-Kratos appears on the e-ink display. SW5 toggles the display between human-readable alphanumeric characters and a machine-scannable barcode. The information on the display persists even after the device is turned off. The device can be reset by pressing the SW4 button. It should be noted that resetting the device does not erase the device memory. We can perform data logging operations with or without a mobile application. Let's first see how to perform data logging operation without a mobile application. Logging of environmental parameters can be started using the SW6 button. Once the button is pressed, LED 4 turns green, indicating that logging has started. By pressing SW6 again, we can stop logging data. LED 4 turns orange, which indicates that logging has stopped. Let's see the data logging operation through the mobile app. Android and iOS device users can download the Kratos-Roma app from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once the application has been downloaded on a phone or tablet, we need to make sure that Bluetooth is enabled on the device. Upon opening, the ITMM app shows a list of available devices on the Packages tab. Select the Renesas BLE device from the list. On the app page, press the Scan Barcode button. Once the barcode details are recognized, it is registered with the current logging event. Similarly, we can scan an NFC tag and associate it with the data logger. Next, let's look at how the data logging operation can be performed using the mobile app. Logging of environmental parameters for the connected device can be started by pressing the Start Logging button. Once the button is pressed, the LED 4 turns green, indicating that logging has started. Concurrently, on the mobile app, Logging Enabled will be displayed. During the logging process, if any physical shock occurs, LED 3 will blink to indicate that shock was detected. Logging of environmental parameters for the connected device can be stopped by pressing the Stop Logging button. Once the button is pressed, LED 4 turns orange, indicating that logging has stopped. Concurrently, the mobile app will display Logging Disabled. To view logging data, press Stop Logging. The mobile app displays Fetching Log Record. Once finished, the parameter-specific data will be displayed in the form of a graph. To download the logging data in the form of a .csv file, press the CSV button on the top right corner. A time-stamped log of data is downloaded to the mobile device, which could be analyzed for captured information, including the GPS tracking data. We can clear the logged data by pressing the Erase Logged Data button on the mobile app screen. This event will erase all the data stored on the device, and another logging can be started. The alert setting of the device can be viewed under the Settings tab. Impact threshold, temperature threshold, and pressure threshold of the connected device can be viewed. Currently, all these settings are fixed and can be changed while programming the device. This concludes the ITMM hands-on demo session. For more information on the ITMM solution and Renesas healthcare solutions in general, please visit the link shown on the screen. Thank you.